Hey guys, have you heard about this new money-making app that's been blowing up? It's totally free to use, and you can start earning cash just by doing simple tasks on your phone. No more working long hours or stressing about money. This app makes it easy to earn unlimited income in your spare time. Check it out and see how you can start raking in the dough today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part, you can do this stuff from pretty much anywhere on the globe. It'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way, I can whip up some videos tailored just for your region. Alright, let's get this show on the road. Looking for a cool way to make some extra cash? Check out Chillar. It's this awesome money-making app that's super easy to use. Chillar is a free money-making app that lets you rack up the rewards without any hassle. Just a few taps, and you can start racking up those earnings. It's practically free money. Chillar app makes earning money online a total breeze, so you can earn on the side while you're doing your thing. So here's the deal. Chillar lets you earn real money by doing simple tasks. Pretty sweet, right? You just hop on the app, complete some fun and easy stuff, and boom, the money in your pocket. The best part? There's no limit to how much you can earn. Plus, they're always adding new offers, so it's worth checking in daily to see what's up. And get this, you can even make more dough by telling your friends about it. Referral bonus. If you're into gaming, they've got some lightweight games you can play for real cash too. How cool is that? Once you finish the task, the money shows up in your account right away. No waiting around. Ready to cash out? No problem. Just send it to your Paytm wallet or straight to your bank using UPI. Easy. Trust me, this is the easiest way to get your hands on some extra cash. So what are you waiting for? Give Chillar a shot and start raking in that extra cash. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.